Welcome to this explainer on community governance, or as I call it, the quiet exhaustion of public service. You think you made a responsible decision, but the community feels completely ignored. Classic Tuesday night. So, after 3 grueling hours sitting in cheap folding chairs, who's actually wrong here? Honestly, neither. It's just a massive communication breakdown fueled by tiny, unsaid assumptions on both sides. See, boards operate with weeks of context, endless budget prep, legal concerns, and grim operational realities. The public, they usually just see the final vote and assume we plotted it in a dark alley. If your whole engagement strategy is a stressful 3-minute public comment timer, you've already lost the room. Real engagement happens way before the yelling starts. I'm talking surveys, regular updates, and actual listening sessions. When criticized, our instinct as board members is to cross our arms, cite Robert's rules, and shut down. The room turns ice cold, procedures get weaponized, and the gap with the community just widens. Here's a hard truth you learn pretty quick. Unanimous approval is a complete and utter fantasy. Unpopular choices are usually forced by strict budgets, annoying legalities, and competing priorities. It's just the job. Look, your goal isn't making everyone happy. It's proving the process was actually fair and transparent. Rebuilding trust is a slow, unglamorous grind. You gotta communicate early, explain clearly, and acknowledge the frustration. Trust me on this, a calm explanation often goes way farther than a perfect but poorly communicated outcome. So ask yourself, are you just hiding from disagreement, or are you finally learning to navigate it?